video about the digestive system. It is the most important and large system in your entire body. I know because the sheer amount of information and details I have recorded, it may be a lot to stomach. I will try to be as clear as possible. Firstly, the main structure and organs of the digestive system include the oral cavity or mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Accessories include teeth, tongue, salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas. Now the main function of the digestive system are ingestion, mechanical processing, digestion, secretion, absorption, and excretion. The most important function is the ability to extract resources and nutrients to help the body grow and produce energy. Mechanical processing includes chewing and peristalsis, which pushes the contents down a tube in the intestines in a wave-like form. However, the breaking down of foods can happen in many places. The saliva in our mouth contains amylase, which helps break down carbohydrates. Pepsin is an enzyme found in the stomach that breaks down proteins. Lipids are broken down by lingual lipase. Lipids can also be broken down in the small intestine by pancreatic juices. The stomach is a muscular J-shaped organ that has four major areas called the cardia, fundus, body, and the pylorus. The esophagus connects to the cardia, which is the smallest region in the stomach. The enlarged area superior to the cardia is the fundus. The body is considered to be between the fundus and the J-like curve. Finally, the pylorus is the distal part to the J-like curve. From there, the pylorus is connected to the small intestine using a pyloric sphincter, which regulates the flow of chyme between the stomach and the small intestine. The small intestine has three parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. The large intestine is usually referred to as the colon and has three main sections, including the ascending, transverse, and descending sections, leading into the rectum. However, digestion happens even before food enters your mouth or oral cavity. The oral cavity contains the tongue, uvula, tonsil, hard and soft plate, oropharynx, and more. The oral cavity receives food and is lined by the oral mucosa. Oral cavity's function is to sense and analyze food before swallowing, mechanically processing the food, lubricating the food, and beginning digestion of carbohydrates and lipids. And in your mouth is teeth. The types of teeth include incisors, cuspids, bicuspids, and molars. Incisors are the blade-shaped teeth in front of your mouth, which are used for clipping and cutting off the tip. Cuspids are conical with a sharp ridgeline and pointed tip. They can clip or weaken a tough piece of celery and even make a shearing action. Bicuspids, along with molars, have flattened crowns, which are used for crunching, mashing, and grinding. To continue digestion, bile must be formed. Bile is produced and synthesized in the liver, and then excreted into lumen of the duodenum for storage. Bile aids in digestion by helping break down fats in the small intestine. Along with bile salts help dilute buffer acids in chyme as it enters the small intestine. They are also required for normal digestion and the breaking down of fats. For the stomach, one main chemical is produced, which is ghrelin. It stimulates hunger by entering the brain and acting on neurons in the hypothalamus to increase activity of the hunger-causing nerve cells and reducing the activity of hunger-inhibiting cells. Some common diseases or clinical applications in the stomach are pancreatitis, liver disease, and colorectal cancer. Pancreatitis is the inflammation of the pancreas, which can block excretory ducts, bacterial or viral infections. Liver disease is a life-threatening disease that can severely damage the liver. What makes it so dangerous is that the liver can only partially regenerate after the injury. Colorectal cancer is the third leading cause of cancer-related deaths and is common in both men and women. I want to end this video on depressing facts, so some fun facts of the digestive system is that your stomach can growl even when you're not hungry, and you can also eat upside down. Thank you for watching my video.